10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That's the channel that this covers.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 503 has been issued
Because
until
this
10 p.m.
channel
for
doesn't
the
cover
following
him.
counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester,
Pennsylvania
Delaware,
and New Jersey.
Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
Look up what county will get late.